Right, so onto the biceps and the triceps. I'm sure you're all familiar with. You've got your biceps and you've got your triceps. You've got your biceps that are fundamental for pulling, and your triceps, which are obviously fundamental for pushing, the pushing movement. So, stand on the band, as so. Move back. Grab the band. Make sure it's even either end. And we're going to be working our biceps here. So, keep them straight. Keep the elbow tucked into the body. And we're going to be doing this nice and slowly. Now that's a bit easy for me. So I'll tighten it up. 2, 3. When you want to feel like a proper gymmer doing this. So you keep your elbows always tucked in, so you're purely isolating the bicep. And you shouldn't be moving at all to facilitate the movement. So make sure you have the strength of the band appropriate for you. You shouldn't be moving with the movement to make it easy. You should just change the strength within the band. So that's your biceps. And then a good tricep exercise would be have the band, step on it again just like the biceps. And what you're going to do, you're going to do a little movement to the back. You're going to find your good posture, good straight posture. Look up, and then your elbows shouldn't really move in this. So you should just focus on keeping your elbows still, and we're isolating the triceps now. So you're going to move up. Now, I'm quite prone to arching my back. You've got to really concentrate on keeping your back straight. 8. I don't actually know how many I've done now, but the aim was to do 10. I can really feel that now. Ooh. So, you feel that evenly down both backs of your arms. And I really, really love that exercise. And again, do as many and as appropriate to you and your own ability. Oh, and you should feel a really good burn afterwards. So, on to the next muscle group.